Guys, it's Greg, and today I'm going to be talking about Atossa Therapeutics. As you can see, we have their webpage in front of you. About development pipeline, clinical trials, contact us, vision, investor relation, and culture. So we have Atossa Therapeutics as a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company seeking to discover and develop innovative medicines in areas of significant unmet medical need. Atossa's current focus is on breast cancer and COVID-19. So obviously we can go through all of these tabs, but what we want to really get into is the Investors Relations tab, which pushes us on to overview, stock info, financials, news, calendar, SEC filings, facts, governance, and presentations. As we scroll down on the website, you see their latest news, latest financial information, so you can always click on any one of those, download their financial info, take a look at the SEC filings, stock info, the price that they opened up at today, which was $2.59, previously closed at $2.62. Current price is $2.71. They have a 15-minute delay on the stock prices for the website. You see their leadership, advisory board, board of directors, and management. As you continue to scroll down, you have presentations, which you can click on, analyst coverage, and also if you want to get email alerts, you can always sign up for that. Press releases, 10Q filings, all SEC filings, 8K filings, 10K filings, and Section 16 filings. So we're going to go ahead and push on to our TradingView website. And what you see is an overview of what they have to show for Atossa Therapeutics, right? So they have overview, ideas, technicals, and financials. We'll scroll down real quick just to show you what's going on. Ideas, technicals, financials, and obviously the trade ideas are the ideas that other members on TradingView post up where they believe that the stock could go to, right? Up or down. So we're going to take a look right here. As you can see, May 18, they have upcoming earnings report. Right now they have a negative EPS of 1.98. You see their market cap based off in millions, 328.641 million, and then they have no dividend yield, so they don't pay dividends on this particular stock, right? So if you click on trade now, it's gonna bring you to this page, and what you see in front of you is a weekly chart that I've already mocked up with my support and resistance lines, right? So the red lines are my resistance lines or 52-week highs, and the blue lines are my support lines or 52-week lows, right? So I've kind of mocked it up based off the weekly chart, and I took it all the way back to 2017, right? So we want to see how high was Atossa back in 2017. I didn't want to keep going up because, as you can see, this thing kind of ran up pretty high, so I didn't want to go through all of that. But we stopped at 2017, or high $22.24. The low would have been right around where we're at right now, $2.62. That would be the support low, right? So what I want to do is kind of take you all the way back to 2021. This is the 2021 area. We're going to open it up a bit. And as you can see, we've already touched the 2017 support. It's a possibility we're going to touch it and it could go back up in value, right? So we'll go ahead and click on, click on this. And so basically what we're saying is it could possibly go up in value, so it could possibly do that. Or we could see this particular thing happening, going down right around, I believe, right around this area. And we'll turn that to red. So we could possibly see that happening. And what we'll do is click on another one, and we'll see something kind of like that going on, where it may drop down to right around that $2 area, maybe below, and then we see it kind of reverse and go up, and possibly even go back down, or it could possibly go up. So I believe somewhere around there Atossa may hit, but as of right now, that's not what we're looking at Atossa for, right? So I'm gonna push on, take a look at what they say on Yahoo Finance, and right now they have it at $2.74, or positive 12 cents for the day, or positive 4.771%, right? Yahoo has it overvalued. Chart event is bullish. They have a bullish momentum, so They're saying short term 2 weeks to 6 weeks up, midterm 6 weeks to 9 weeks up, and long term 9 months they believe is going to be up. As you kind of look through Yahoo, they have different news talking about votes and proposals right before they do their earnings call, which is going to be on the 18th of May. And we're going to go ahead and push forward to E-Trade. And on E-Trade, as you can see, we have our we have Atossa already up, and what we want to click on is analyst research. So waiting for that to pop up. Bam, analyst research pops up. Average price target is $5. So they believe that, hey, it will go up to $5. High $5, low $5. Obviously, this is not accurate, but in the last 3 months, 2 ranked analysts set 12-month price targets for Atos. The average price target among the analysts is $5. Analysts compare the price target to the current market price of the stock to determine how much potential upside or downside movement there could be in the stock price, right? So as you can see all through this, they've been giving you a green buy, right? So right now they're still saying, hey, it's a green buy. They believe it's going to go up to $5 at some point between now and 2022. Scroll down, we have 2 guys that have given their buy rating. This guy didn't actually put it in. Maybe it's some type of typo or whatever, but last person to put in something was April 7th, 2021. And then we have another guy that put his in on the 2nd or February 25th, 2021. You can always click on these articles to read exactly what these guys are saying, what company they're with, so on and so forth. And lastly, what I forgot to pull up was our Robinhood account. And yeah, there it is, popping up. As you can see, $8,877. So the account has been moving around a bit. And what we want to do is type in Atos or Atossa Therapeutics. It pops up, and there it is right there. $2.77. It's moving up. And what I want to actually show you guys is that we have 2 contracts already in for this. Today's return is at 0, but total return is at $4 because we're looking at doing, or we have done, a option contract, right? So we did a put option contract. As we click right there, kind of walk you through the put option contract. You scroll down, average credit per share. They gave me 20 cents per share. We did 2 contracts, that's 200 shares, right? So Atos break even is at $1.80, which means if the price of the shares were to drop down to $1.80 per share, we would break even at that point. If it drops down below that, I would be negative, right? So they gave me $40 up front. That's my credit. And basically what happened was the $400 that I had to put up in order to put in for the cash secured put contract has been put to the side, and it expires on May 21st. Once the contracts expire on this date, 5/21, the money would, if it expires worthless, which means if it doesn't drop down to $2 a share by next Friday, the money will be released right back to me. So that $400 that I put up in collateral will come back to me. Either way, I keep the $40. If it drops down to $2 and change, I would obviously have to buy those 200 shares at the $400 or at the $2 strike price, the $400 that I put up already to be used to purchase it, right? That would be utilized. We would own the 200 shares, and then we would have to go right out into the market to figure out whether or not we want to sell it if the price, decided to go up, or if we want to go into the market and do something like a covered call, right? So in that case, let's say I did get assigned the shares for $2, then I would just click on sell call. As you can see, we have May 21st. We'd change that to June 18th, which would be a month from now, basically. And then we would say, hey, I'm willing to sell my shares for $3. I probably would go with that price, right? I'm willing to sell at $3. So if I'm willing to sell at $3, they're saying right now they'll give me 88 cents per share, right? So it's $88 per 100 shares. And basically what we would do is click on our calculator and we'll type in $88 times 2, which represents the 200 shares, and we get $176 up front just for saying we're willing to sell our shares at $3. Now remember, because we bought at $2, the difference between $2 and $3 is $1. $1 times 200 shares is another $200. So we're gonna add $200 onto that deal, gives us $376. So if the price of Atossa goes up from $2, if we were to buy it too, and goes up to $3, the difference is going to be another $200 in our pocket plus the $176 they gave us just for saying we're willing to sell. So we're going to come out the deal with $376, which is way more money if we just decided to sell in the open market for $3, right? Because if we sold in the open market for $3, we're not going to get this premium that they're willing to pay us. Anyway, hopefully you guys learned something from this video, me going over Atossa, ticker symbol ATOS. And once again, if you guys have any questions, please don't be afraid to comment on the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hey, anything I can do to help, I will. Have a great day. Bye.